Hey guys, what I'm gonna show you here, as you can see, my Sky CPX tool perfectly working. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. All right. All right, you ready? It's not working because slide is too far forward. Now watch this. I'm gonna slightly move, slide backwards, slightly, just to make it even with plastic. They call it plastic grip. It kind of looks like frame, but it's grip. It's called grip. It doesn't matter. But I'm gonna move, slide backwards, and to level it. All right, ready? It's a miracle. It's a miracle. I'm imitating piece of cardboard.